Okay, and we're back. Good morning. Welcome to Where's My Tea, where you send me your issues or dilemma and I give you advice on it. Let's just get right into it. Alright, y'all. So it says, "Hey Nene, so I've been dating this guy. I'm 23 years old. I have a good job in school and take care of myself. He's 40, lives with his aunt. However, he has a good job, and I can say I love him. We've been dating for a year now. He's having a hard time taking the next step though. Recently, I asked him, how come we aren't in a relationship? And his response was, I'm not ready for what comes along with a relationship. I was so confused. Not to add that I just found out I'm pregnant. He wants an abortion, however, I don't. I had it in my mind that we were going to settle down and start a family based on the fact that he's 40 and that's what grown men should do. I really need advice. I know I shouldn't get an abortion, but how do I handle this situation?" Baby girl, we got water today. Where's my tea? Alright, y'all, let's just give you the facts. We have a 23-year-old girl who's been in a relationship with a guy who's 40. She's in school, got a good job. He lives with his aunt. He got a good job. They've been in a relationship for a year now. They have not made things official. He said he's not sure he's ready for this relationship thing. But however, honey girl is pregnant. He wants her to have an abortion. She wants to keep it. But she wants to know how to handle the situation. I ain't gonna lie, this is a tough one. I mean, there's so many red flags I see with this relationship. Let me just touch on a few. I'm a little concerned with the fact that he's 40 and he still lives at home with his aunt. No, I'm not sure if this is his aunt, if it's not his aunt, but that's red flag number 1 to me. Number 2, you're in love, you're 23, you're in school. You said you guys have been dating for a year, but you guys are not together. When you asked him why y'all not together, homeboy says he's not ready. This is where I need you to come in. I really need you to think. Don't let your age play against you here, because I'm not sure if he's on your side or not. A part of me is thinking that he feels that you're 23. He can kind of like lead you through this thing and kind of like continue to straggle you along, and you're okay with it because you have an older guy. He has a good job. But I need you to think though. For one, age doesn't make a man. For 2, his job doesn't either. I feel like you guys should be on some type of page. What was you guys' plan going into this relationship? That's red flag number 3 to me. You're 40 and you're not ready for what comes along with a relationship. Red flag to me is this guy's either gay or he's dealing with someone. The fact that he's 40 and he's not ready for a relationship, why? I mean, you've had all your life. Like, what is the reason now? 2, what is it per se that he wants from you? Again, I'm not playing on the age factor here because, hey, love who you love. But this dude have you by 17 years. So what is it that he want from you, or where did he plan to see this relationship to go? That is very important, because for him to have you around for a year, to me, I'm feeling like this is just something to do, or he's hiding something. I don't know, boo. Let's talk about this baby situation. You're pregnant. Congratulations. A baby in any form, whether you decide to keep it or not, the fact that you're able to conceive, that's great news. I'm not going to tell you make the decision to abort your baby or keep your baby. What I'm going to tell you is make the best decision that is for you. If you want this baby and you think that you are mature enough and stable enough to take care of this baby, and then by all means have your baby. Now, if you're looking to have this baby and you think this is going to pull him in and or make him stay or get his act together, then these are all the wrong reasons for you to continue to carry your baby. As we all have heard, as you know, a baby is not going to make a man, and it's not going to keep a man, for one. The fact that he's so against you having this baby, let's put the pieces together. A 40-year-old man is telling you to abort this baby. Red flags should be going everywhere. Why? If he doesn't want you to keep this baby, just keep in mind this baby is not going to keep him. You're in a dilemma here. You have a baby by a 40-year-old man who is not even ready to call you his girlfriend, lives at home with his aunt, and then encourages you to abort your baby. Are you looking at the facts? Like, lay that out. That doesn't make sense. In this case, like I said, I can't advise you what to do with that option, but I can only just give you something to think about. If you want this baby, assuming that this is going to bring the man and he's going to man up and you guys can become a family, that's not the way to go. If you want this baby under the impression that we may not work out because I don't know where he's at, but I want my baby, then go for it. But I need you to consider all aspects. Only you know how to make this decision. If you feel like it's not the best decision for you now because of this dude and you guys are not on the same page, great. Make your decision, go from there, and let's fix this relationship. I don't know, sis. Like I said, this screams red flags to me. This screams something's not right. I really feel like do not let your age play against you, and don't let him play you with your age. I don't know if he's one of the men that's trying to get over on you. Like I said, I don't want to paint him out to be a bad picture, but I want you to consider all options. You guys have been together for a year. I mean, that's well over the time to decide if you're ready for a relationship or not. And the fact that he gave you that answer, that means honey he didn't look forward to you becoming his girlfriend. I think as long as you allow him to, he's going to continue to drag this out, and that's not going to be no good. If he's not ready for this relationship now, is he ever going to become ready? You need to get those answers from him. And then two, you make the baby decision on your own. He's telling you to abort it. Do you want a guy that's telling you to abort the baby? He's 40 years old. He lives with his aunt, and he doesn't even plan on being with you. Do you really want to take advice or be with a guy like that? I can't really tell you what to do with the baby or what to do, but hopefully this message opens your eyes and gives you some things to think about. Alright, y'all, I feel like that message was spot on, boo. Honestly, to answer this, when I read this email, did red flags pop up to you? Am I overthinking it? What do you think she should do? Do you think she should follow my advice? Go with the best advice. No baby is going to make a man. Make your own decision. Let me know what you think. As always, if you would love your story to be featured on Where's My Tea, go ahead and shoot me an email. And you never know, maybe one day I'll be giving you advice. If you need advice, go ahead and check the description box. You're going to find my email address. It is wmtscandals@yahoo.com. And that is it. I will see you guys next Saturday.